So in today's video, we got some stuff that we have plans for the truck today. I'm going to be installing a new water separator filter. Going to switch some of the lights out to LEDs, and we're also going to be adding a battery cutoff switch in the rear. So this is the stuff I ordered from Amazon. Battery cutoff switch with a remote, LED turn signals, daytime running light bulbs, and these are the filter that I need for the water separator. Also, we do have to replace this switch because this one's starting to act up in my truck. Let's start easy and let's do the LEDs on these light bulbs quick. Okay, with the hood open, these bulbs should just twist out like so. These ones and these ones up here. So this is with the new one in. Let's see how bright these make a difference. Let's turn these on quick. Wrong one. Okay, lights are on. Let's see. So this is this one now. Let's see if this one's any brighter. You know, I can't really tell. Actually, no, I could definitely tell. Those are definitely brighter. I know the daylight doesn't make it seem very bright, but yeah, this is definitely dimmer. So I'm gonna switch this bulb, this daytime running light bulb, this one, and then see LED versus the regular incandescent on this side. I'm getting headlight bulbs later for it, so it's gonna have an entirely new headlight assembly, all with LEDs. Okay, let's turn the lights back on, and let's see what these look like. You know, again, the sunlight makes this look like it's a lot dimmer than it is. No, it's actually a decent bit brighter. Or it could just be the color, I can't fully tell. But I'm just gonna switch that side as well. Just switching to LED. And I'm gonna get new bulbs for this later, because I cannot tell if somebody's already switched this with LEDs, but it's not angled right whatsoever. It's off, way off to the side when I'm going down the road. And clearly this is just a regular bulb. Okay, this side's now done. So is the passenger side. Here's the bulbs, just to show that these were done. Let me close the hood and show you guys what they look like. I know there are also turn signals on these inside lights. Let's make sure they work with the new LEDs. Okay, lights on. Lights are on. Hazard lights on. Let's see if these LEDs work. Oh yeah. Again, it doesn't show very good, but these are definitely a lot brighter. Like even the turn signals themselves are a lot brighter too, because I switched them. I'm gonna do those headlights later, but for now, let's switch on to doing the water separator filter.